Smith.
Today was so fun. It wasn't what I expected it to be, but 10/10, I would, recommend anyone to come, even if you're my age and you're young.
And yeah.
Yeah.
And this was what was it?
This,
The Money Wise.
Be Money Wise. We were just looking over the games. We were speaking about the courses online, the modules. It's very fun.
Okay, thank you, Shbana.
Hi,
Mohammed.
it was really fun today meeting everybody and looking at the board game as well, which was very interesting, and looking forward to
He lost his words.
Today with Be Moneywise, we did Learn My Way. So we went through that platform with the elderly and they really enjoyed it. So the platform basically explains how to use computers, how to use this platform. And it was so much fun explaining and going through the steps because they finally got through some of the platforms. And it was so much fun to help them as well.
You guys can give your names. And you are?
My name is Thiyana.
Thiyana,
Muhammad.
Shbana.
And what did you learn today?
Crystabel. I'm Crystabel, and I really had so much fun. Just seeing how people were, how they access the internet, making it easy, fun way, and interacting with everything on the internet. And I'd really recommend anyone, doesn't matter the age, as long as you can talk and as long as you can talk, you can find easy ways of accessing the internet and learn in an interesting, fun way.
Thank you.